So welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover another challenge by the Global Hack Week, that is sign up for GAFFA. You have to just open it and we'll be covering it. And if you are interested in other challenges which you have to complete for getting the swags, you can check the playlist. I've covered most of them in the description box, and this playlist will be keep updating. Now what you have to do, you have to just create a new account using this promo code. Okay, so you'll be getting free credits over here. So just open this link and just click on sign up. Now here you have to enter your name, details, email address and continue. So just type it. Here you have to enter your email address. You can use any email address over here. So once you have done all these things, you have to click on continue. So just click on it. Now after that, it will ask for authentication code. You have to check your email. Okay. From there, you have to just enter it. And finally, you have successfully done. Now from here, just click on credits and you have to just do one thing. Okay. So just scroll down and from here, just select this one. Okay. Just click on purchase. And here mostly you have to add a promo code. Okay. So just add a promo code which is listed over here. Just copy it. Add it and just apply it. So it will become 0 and then simply click on process your order. So you have successfully placed the order and got 20 free credits, $20 worth free credits. So it has been successfully added and we have done. Now what we have to do, we have to attach the screenshot of your GAFFA profile landing page to complete this challenge submission. So just click on submit. And from here, just come over here, go to dashboard. Okay, so we have to attach the image of the dashboard, I think so. So this is the landing page mostly. So just take the screenshot of it. Just download it and just save it. And from here, you have to simply upload the screenshot and then submit. Let me just upload image, click on add new image and upload it. After that, simply come down and submit the project. So this is how we completed another challenge. So it has been successfully submitted. So thank you. And for other challenges, you can check the channel or playlist. Okay.